everybody. We're doing a show a little bit different. We're not going to have our faces on here because we're doing the Alfredo.
It's Alfredo Day.
It's going to be, Alfredo Day, Fettuccine Alfredo Day. So we're both showing, Sharon and I each do a different way. Suzy's on the right on the screen. Sharon's on the left. Wave, Sharon.
Woohoo! Woohoo! This is me. I got the big kettle.
Yeah, I got the smaller kettle and my garlic's getting really toasted here. And so I started with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of butter. And Sharon, what you got in your, what do you got in your
I have a 1/2 cup of butter that's I'm melting. And it should be melted here very shortly. I melted over medium heat. And then I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Susan does hers totally different.
Yep, and I got
Evaporated milk you're going to use.
yeah,
huh?
I use evaporated milk. And that's because that's usually what I have in my pantry. So my evaporated milk is 2 cups of liquid, but it's 1.5 cups of evaporated milk and 1/2 cup of water.
Oh, to make 2 cups?
Yeah, to make 2 cups.
To make 2 cups. Well, mine will be using 2 cups of milk. And,
Oh, show them your whisk.
oh, we went shopping to a kitchen store and Susan purchased this whisk and I'm using it. Doesn't that just look like a little cat toy or something?
Yeah, we thought it looked fun. So, and then I'm using the new one that they have at this condo that we're staying at. And,
You have the non-stick,
yep, I have the
new
non-stick.
kettle.
Yep.
So we don't want to scratch it with mine.
So I'm melting that up, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of whole wheat flour, and that thickens it up. And then from that, I'm going to add the milk. Or no, I'm going to add the milk, and then I'll add the cheese in there.
I'm going to try and speed mine along and cut it up just a little bit. You don't have to do that. Just let it melt. Have patience. See, that's what Susan, she likes everything to be fast.
Yeah, I like everything fast. So, and I'm going to put in, I buy the shredded cheese like this. So I'm going to, it's 1.5 cups. But, and usually I don't toast my garlic quite that much, but that's okay. Now we got that little browned in there.
Yeah. I'm also going to add 4 cloves of garlic, so I have that going right here. I'm going to add that in there, so that can start cooking while this melts.
Yeah, I usually don't brown my garlic that much. You probably don't want to do it. It's going to make more of a brown sauce than a white sauce.
I bet it'd taste good though.
Well, yeah, you know,
Roasted
garlic is always good. Yeah.
But you can burn garlic so easy, so always be careful when you're cooking your garlic. It burns very easy, quickly.
Yeah, as you can see, mine looks pretty brown. And then I'm just going to add my cheese in.
The only thing that takes much time around with my recipe is melting of the cream cheese. The butter melts pretty fast. I've turned up my stove just a tish.
Like medium
Having
high,
that
huh?
new gadget doesn't seem to be helping at all.
And of course your Alfredo, if you want it thicker, you could add more cheese or less milk, or you could add more flour. A lot of people don't use flour. Normally when I've added the flour, it's a little thicker than that. I usually haven't used whole wheat flour either, I guess, so that's a little bit different. But and you want to keep this stirring too once you start adding your cheese, so it doesn't get all curdly or hot or whatever, overheated.
Well,
You don't want it boiling, you want it just under boiling.
Mine's just about ready. Just whisk it till it's smooth. It's looking pretty smooth. When I add the milk, you have to add that very slowly. You don't want want it to stay smooth, you're going to have to add it slowly. Susan's helping me out here, holding my kettle.
Yeah, we gotta help each other out.
This is good.
And since this was all on the stove top, that's why we didn't get our faces on there.
Yeah,
Besides that, we have beach hair today.
Today, yes, we're doing this in PCB out of Suzy's condo. Jean and I will be moving tomorrow to our condo. But Suzy has the way bigger kitchen, so we'll be doing some more things from here. Maybe we'll show you our faces when we're all tanned up.
Yeah. Not in our swimsuits though.
Right now we're kind of red. Suzy is anyway. Her and Jeff spent some time at the pool.
Okay, now mine's all melted in there. Now this is a thinner sauce, but it'll thicken up as it cools too.
Well, I'm going to pour in the last of my milk, and I am now got my milk, my cheese, my garlic, or not my cheese, that's the last thing to go in there, and an eighth of a teaspoon of pepper. So I'm going to dump that in there. I use the black pepper. I like the little specks in my Fredo. And 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan.
Now I just added the garlic, and I had a whole head of garlic in there. So that was about 8 cloves of garlic.
Ooh, yeah.
We really like the garlic taste. I didn't add any other seasonings, but of course you can add pepper onto your dish or onto your noodles.
I was thinking when I serve this tonight to the hubbies, I'm going to cook up those peppers, whatever peppers we got left.
Yep, mushrooms or peppers.
Mushrooms and some peppers.
Kind of like a
veggie.
Yeah, like a primavera kind of thing.
Absolutely. Mine's done.
Mine is too.
Voila!
And there you have it.
Thanks for watching. SOS. Got any problems? Just give us a call.
SOS.